Moving on, our next specification is number 2, which asks us to describe phototropism as a response in which parts of a plant grow towards or away from light. So, in phototropism, auxin molecules play a key role. In a plant shoot, when light shines from one side, auxin moves to the side away from the light. The cells on that shaded side elongate more than the cells on the lighted side. This uneven growth causes the shoot to bend toward the light. Next, we have phototropism, which can be defined as phototropism is the directional growth response in plants where different plant parts grow either towards or away from a light source. Phototropism is the directional growth response shown by plants in reaction to light. It refers to how certain parts of a plant grow either towards a light source or away from it, allowing the plant to adjust its position according to environmental conditions. Positive phototropism occurs when a plant grows towards light. Most shoots display this response because growing towards light helps them receive maximum sunlight, which is necessary for photosynthesis and food production. A common example of this is when plant stems bend or grow in the direction of sunlight. Negative phototropism occurs when a plant grows away from light. This response is usually seen in roots. Growing away from light helps roots move deeper into the soil, where they can absorb water and minerals and provide strong support to the plant. Overall, phototropism helps plants adjust the growth direction, ensuring that shoots receive enough light while roots remain properly anchored in the soil. Positive phototropism refers to the growth of a plant shoot towards a light source, which happens because of the uneven distribution of the plant hormone auxin. Auxin is produced in the tips of shoots. When light falls equally on the shoot from all directions, auxin spreads evenly throughout the tip. This causes the cells in the meristem to grow at the same rate, which usually happens in plants growing naturally outdoors. However, when light comes mainly from one direction, auxin moves away from the light and gathers on the shaded side of the shoot. When strong light is coming from one side, this uneven distribution of auxin causes the cells on the shaded side to elongate faster than the cells on the side receiving light. Because one side grows faster than the other, the shoot bends and grows toward the light source. This bending of the shoot towards light is known as positive phototropism. As you can see in the diagram, it shows phototropism, which is the growth of a plant in response to light. Phototropism usually causes the plant to bend towards the light source so that it can receive more light for survival and photosynthesis. Plant stems show positive phototropism, meaning they naturally grow towards light. This process is controlled by plant hormones called auxins. Auxin is produced at the tip of the shoot and then moves within the stem depending on the direction of light. When light shines on the plant from one side, auxin moves away from the light and collects on the shaded side of the stem. In stems, a higher concentration of auxin stimulates cell elongation. This means the cells on the shaded side grow longer and faster than the cells on the side receiving light. Because the shaded side grows faster, unequal growth occurs on the two sides of the stem. This difference in growth causes the stem to bend and grow towards the light source. This bending movement is known as positive phototropism. And now focusing specifically on the role of auxin in phototropism. Auxin controls plant growth by causing cells on one side of the shoot to elongate faster, allowing the plant to bend towards light. When light reaches the tip of the shoot equally from all directions, auxin spreads evenly throughout the shoot tip. Because of this equal distribution, the cells in the meristem grow at the same speed. This is the normal condition for plants growing outdoors where light usually falls evenly. However, when light comes mainly from one direction, auxin collects on the shaded side of the shoot. The cells on the shaded side grow longer and faster than the cells on the side receiving light. Because one side grows faster than the other, the shoot bends and grows towards the light. This shows positive phototropism.